Hello friends, welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 26 July 2020 and this is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination. So watch the session till end for your better preparation. Proceed towards today's session. This was our previous two questions. Our first question was, which state has launched Godhan Nyaya Yojana? Chhattisgarh, Bihar, Odisha, Uttar Pradesh. The correct answer here is option A, Chhattisgarh. Recently, Chhattisgarh government has launched the Godhan Nyaya Yojana. Okay, the capital of Chhattisgarh is Raipur. Chief Minister is Bhupesh Baghel and Governor is Anusuya Uke. Anusuya Uke is the governor of Chhattisgarh. Our second question is, which country has successfully launched Tianwen Fast Mars mission? Japan, Australia, China, Brazil. The correct answer here is option C, China. Recently, China has successfully launched Tianwen Fast, an indigenous Mars mission. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is, which of the following is launched a portal named Restart India? Bajaj Finserv, Muthoot Fincorp, Magma Fincorp, option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Muthoot Fincorp. Option B is correct here. It is a free mentoring platform to help the MSME, micro, small and medium enterprises sector to restart business across the country. Okay, Restart India launched by Muthoot Fincorp. I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Who has been appointed as the new MD and CEO of Indian Overseas Bank? Partha Pratim Sengupta, Ajay Kumar, Avinash Srivastav, option D, none of these. The correct answer here is option A, Partha Pratim Sengupta. Partha Pratim Sengupta has been appointed as the new MD and CEO of Indian Overseas Bank. He is currently serving as the Deputy Managing Director of SBI. Okay, and he is recently appointed as the CEO of Indian Overseas Bank. Okay, you can see the image of Partha Pratim Sengupta here. Next question. Who has been appointed as the new Health Secretary in Union Health Ministry? Pramod Mishra, Rajesh Bhushan, K.N. Roy, option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Rajesh Bhushan. Rajesh Bhushan recently appointed as the Health Secretary in Union Health Ministry. He is a 1987 batch IS officer. Okay, who is the Union Health Minister of our India? Dr. Harshvardhan is the Union Health Minister of our India. Next question. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will virtually inaugurate how many labs of ICMR? 5, 4, 3, 2. The correct answer here is option C, 3. Recently, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will virtually inaugurate 3 new high throughput lab of ICMR in Noida, Kolkata and Mumbai on 27 July. It is going to be virtually inaugurated. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Amla Shankar passed away in Kolkata. She was related to which field? Dancing, choreography, both A and B, option D, none of these. The correct answer here is both A and B. Eminent dancer and choreographer Amla Shankar passed away in Kolkata. She was also awarded the Bang Vibhushan award by Government of West Bengal. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. A professor of which university has launched a website called sardijukham.com? JNU, BHU, University of Lucknow, Allahabad University. The correct answer here is option B, BHU, Banaras Hindu University. A professor of Banaras Hindu University has launched a dedicated website called sardijukham.com to help people from the fear of COVID-19. It is also help the people from the get out from the depression. Okay, so the professor launched a website named sardijukham.com. He is from Banaras Hindu University. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. who was honored with President's Award for nurses by the Singapore government? Kala Narayan Sami, Neelam Clare, Anandi Gopal Joshi. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Kala Narayan Sami. Recently, the Singapore government on July 21 honored an Indian origin nurse, Kala Narayan Sami, as President's Award for nurses. Okay, she was awarded for her outstanding service during the coronavirus pandemic. I hope you got the answer now. Singapore is in news. Singapore, the capital is Singapore city. Singapore dollar is the currency, and Hamid Yaakob is the president of Singapore. Okay, next question. Question number 8. Which unit of KAPP in Gujarat ready to generate electricity with the 700 megawatt reactor achieving critically? The abbreviation of KAPP is Kakrapara Atomic Power Plant. Kakrapara Atomic Power Plant is in Gujarat. The correct answer here is third. Option C is correct here. Recently, the third unit of Kakrapara Atomic Power Plant KAPP in Gujarat is ready to generate electricity with the 700 megawatt reactor achieving critically. The achieving critically word is here. What is the meaning of critically? A nuclear reactor reaches critically when it is ready for ongoing nuclear reaction or fission that generate energy. Okay, Gujarat is in news. The capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar. Chief Minister is Vijay Rupani and Governor is Acharya Devrat. Acharya Devrat is the Governor of Gujarat. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Who has been appointed as the MD and CEO of Tata AIA Life Insurance? Sumanta Chaudhary, Naveen Tahiliani, Arun Goyal. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Naveen Tahiliani. Naveen Tahiliani recently appointed as the MD and Chief Executive Officer of Tata AIA Life Insurance. Okay, and Rishi Srivastava is the previous CEO and of the Tata AIA Life Insurance, and recently Naveen Tahiliani is the appointed as new MD and CEO of Tata AIA Life Insurance. Okay, next question. Question number 10. First container train to which country was flagged off from Kolkata? Bangladesh, Bhutan, Myanmar, Nepal. The correct answer here is Bangladesh. First container train from India flagged off from Kolkata to the Bangladesh. Okay, first container train to Bangladesh was flagged off from the Container Corporation of India from Kolkata on 24 July. On 24 July, the train has the 50 container. Okay, the Bangladesh is in news. The capital is Dhaka, currency is Taka, Prime Minister is Sheikh Hasina is the Prime Minister of Bangladesh, and Abdul Hamid is the President. National sports of Bangladesh is Kabaddi. Kabaddi is the national sports of Bangladesh. Okay, this is our question of the day. You have to answer it in the comment section, and we will discuss this answer in our next session. Who released the Financial Stability Report 2020? Our second question is, which country recently got observer status in WTO? Please try to answer more in comment section. Okay, thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Thereby many students got help. Thank you.